There's one in there without a body.
Without a body. Just still a
They out there killing their crawfish. That's not mine. Mine was smaller than that. That's like medium.
Still helping. Alicia. Being Alicia.
Scaredy cat.
I help.
A little
She's
bit.
helping. Philip picking him up. He don't care.
And giving moral support.
But I told him he better be careful because if they grab on his
I don't
finger-
care either, but that cool way too small for me to stick my
Right,
big
I
hand
know
in there.
that's right.
It's not that.
Saying I'm a man. I'm sure you are a man, but let him grab you.
I'm about to pick
You gonna be a man by yourself at the
That big one
hospital
right there,
while
grab,
you crying.
grab by the back of his head, around the back of his body.
If this guy was...
He see you coming for him. See, you gotta lean be. See, every time you go by,
All right, grab
let him be.
Ah, that's a big one.
That looked like the one you picked up earlier.